So here's how to accept cards on Monopoly Go. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't skip any important steps. In the Monopoly Go app, you can accept cards as part of various in-game actions such as property purchases, trading, and chance community chest card draws. When you land on an unknown property and decide to buy it, the app will typically present you with the option to accept the property card. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your purchase and accept the property card. If you are negotiating a trade with another player, the app will guide you through the process. When you both agree on the terms of the trade, you will have the options to accept the offered properties and cash. When you land on a chance or community chest space, the app will automatically present you with the drawn card. Read the card's instruction and follow them accordingly. So that's how to accept cards on Monopoly Go.